Get that water, Clemmy. Get that hose. Ah, it's gotta hurt. Oh!
Good puppy!
Get that hose. Get that hose. Get that hose. You can beat it. Oh. She's trying to do that mouth thing. Ah. Well, you're never going to need to brush your teeth. Get that hose, Clemmy. No, stings a bit, doesn't it? Come on, you can run up behind it. Come on, run up, circle around it, run up behind it. You tell it. You tell that hose. You tell that hose. Oh, come on, circle around behind. Oh, I think she got a big. Oh, yeah, she got a big mouth. Get that hose. Get it. Get it. No, I don't know, Pickle. I know. I think she got enough here. Ah!